I never thought I'd live past 18. Doctors didn't think I would either. But here I am. I have congenital heart disease. It's a miracle I'm still here. This isn't a story about just surviving. It's about living. Because after the hospital rooms, the close calls, the what ifs, there's life. And it's messy, beautiful, and worth every second. I'm Mara, and this is life after the impossible.
Food. Sabi na sa...
Hi!
So tagal. Sabi ni Ayaw.
Go! Go!
What?
What?
What are you doing?
Bunny, bunny, bunny. Mommy, Daddy, I'm not going to the waterfall.
Later.
See, they said later. My mama, Dad said later I can go to the waterfall. Touch. Animals.
Okay, I'm feeling like Snow White right now.
Me. Good enough for you.
Mommy, can help you once I do? This is mine.
Rabbit! Rabbit!
Parang pampalaka yun eh. Look oh, the baby rabbit oh.
Mommy, can you go inside now? Please.
We're gonna wait.
Ano ba? Parang...
We're going inside later.
I will avoid it. Hi guys. Today we're gonna feed the bird. The ducks.
Oh no.
Guys.
Okay, go.
Oh, get one, Anaya. Anaya.
Zach, go inside.
Give it
Go
to them.
inside here, Anaya oh.
Get Anaya.
And ayo.
Here. If they're getting it, you give it to them.
God.
Anaya, don't hold them, baby. We're just here to feed them.
Can I touch
Don't touch them. They don't know you. They might bite you.
Like this. Hindi.
Nanonood lang sila.
Parang
Sa-
aware sila, no?
Oo.
Na talagang merong feeding program. Minsan madami daw. Hindi ko yung bakit ngayon po. Parang nirenta nga po talaga ito para sa
Ay, may iguana nga. Anaya, here.
Anaya.
throw the food.
Oh,
You
hold
throw.
it. Oh, no, you get something here. Oh. You get, and then you throw it to them. Come on, go. Throw. They're gonna get it on your hands. They're gonna bite your hands.
Yeah, you need to throw really quickly.
You have to throw it quick before they catch your hands. And you throw it far, like you throw it.
You're like Snow White.
Anaya, don't hold it for too long. They're gonna bite your hand. No, that's rooster. Ano, that's rooster. Grabe tong malaki, no?
Kaya nga eh, parang boksingero.
Yung puppy, yung sa...
Wow!
We're gonna keep getting it. Whoa.
You need to throw quickly. Oh! Hi! Oh my god! Oh no, I think it needs help. No, it's gonna get hurt there. Careful, careful. Stay here pa.
Anaya, don't get too close. Horses kick.
Yeah, they kick.
Kick.
But don't go there.
Look, Aya, she's so great.
Yeah.
Anaya, say hi.
Hi.
Say hi, baby. Wave your hand to me.
Hold tight, okay?
I thought you were gonna lie to me.
It's okay.
It's okay, you're a grown-up na. You're a big girl. Are you having fun?
Yeah. What did the horse do?
Yeah, you can hold it. You can pet the horse.
Just be gentle.
Just be gentle.
Zach, come! I'm behind you!
Oh my God, girl, you're so cute.
Hi!
Wave your hand, guys. Hi.
Kuya, dito tayo sa paligid. Kuya! Hi! Huwag ka mahulog lang po pag pinay-say hi! Hindi na siya around. Ulog ka na. I'm not there. There.
Aya, say hi. Anaya. Zach, say hi.
Hi. Oh my God. What?
Let's stay here.
Naya, stay with Tata.
The horse will kick you.
Daddy, no one got you before. Dad, after this, after mommy do what now can you ask that mommy to come with us to the water park, Daddy?
Okay.
Yeah. Mom, come on, let's go.
Naya, stay with Dad.
Mommy, see that thing?
Hindi.
Mom, can I have some?
Yeah, come on, Zhacky. Here's your Coke.
Why not allowed?
Yeah.
Yung isang mango smoothie, ma'am.
Dito na lang. Wait,
Come to me.
Zhacky.
Come to me, Anaya.
Pero may fries din.
The first then.
Chicken nuggets din.
Can I get the Russians?
Wow.
Nauna po makain.
Slowly, ah.
Oh my gosh.
Slowly. You
Rock,
have water there.
look, oh.
Overall, it was a day well spent. Slow, intentional, and full of little joys. I've come to realize that parenting isn't just about keeping up with routines and responsibilities. It's also about making the effort to create memories. Moments like this, spending time with the family, letting Aya explore, seeing her try something new like horseback riding, it all matters. And with my condition, there's always that quiet fear, the what if I'm not around one day? But while I'm here, I'll keep showing up for days like this. Because this is life after the impossible. And it's everything I hoped it would be.